Understanding frost risk in English. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that often pops up in weather forecasts and agriculture discussions: frost risk. You might have heard this phrase and wondered about its significance, especially if you live in a region where frost is a concern. So, whether you're a gardener, a farmer, or just someone curious about English phrases, this video will clarify what frost risk means and how it's used. Stay tuned. The term frost refers to the thin layer of ice crystals that forms on surfaces, like the ground, cars, and plants, when the temperature drops below freezing. Risk is the possibility of something bad happening. So, frost risk means there is a possibility that frost will form, which can be important information for various reasons. Understanding the frost risk is crucial for several reasons. Agriculture. Frost can damage or kill plants, especially new growth and flowering fruit. Gardening. Gardeners need to know when to protect their plants. Transportation. Frost can make roads slippery, increasing the chance of accidents. Property maintenance. Homeowners may need to prevent pipe freezing or take care of sensitive outdoor equipment. Weather reports. Meteorologists provide frost risk alerts when cold weather is expected to cause frost formation. Farming forecasts. Specialized forecasts for farmers often discuss frost risk. Gardening resources. Websites or apps about gardening may warn about frost risk to help gardeners. Here are some ways to manage frost risk. Covering plants. Use cloths or plant covers to insulate plants against the cold. Heating. Some farmers use heaters to protect crops. Changing planting dates. Planting after the last frost date reduces frost risk. Safe driving habits. Drive more cautiously when there's a frost risk warning. I hope this video has helped you understand what frost risk means and why it's an important concept in certain contexts. Remember, knowing this phrase can help you better comprehend weather forecasts and protect your plants and property. Until next time, stay warm and safe, and happy learning. If you found this explanation helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more language learning content. Happy English learning, everyone!